Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how we can find what are the different purchase orders related to a particular account assignment. It can be a cost center, it can be a work order, it can be a project or something. Let's see. So the transaction code is ME2K. Okay, if I go here and I go to ME2K and suppose I want to see whatever is related with cost center. Okay, so I'm just getting execute, I execute here, and these are all the PO numbers that have a cost center associated. Now you might say, where is the cost center? Cost center field. So you can always go here and you can change. So probably there would be a cost center field somewhere. Let me search from here first. Okay, so I go here and I put cost, and let's see, the field is showing that it's cost center field. So what I'm going to do is I'll pick up all these because I'll be showing in the next series what are the. So this is the cost center. Okay, and I just go up and I'll hit this button and I'll just press enter, and this is my cost center. So if you see, if I double click on the PO line, it will take me. Now you might say, where is the count assignment? The count assignment is in the item details. Okay, and the moment it shows up, you can see the cost center. So showing, yeah, there it is, the cost center. You can see there is the cost center. This is it, and so this is the cost center, and we can see. So this is the way you can find what are the. So suppose you have a cost center and you want to find all the POs related with it, you can easily find it from this transaction ME2K. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.